you recording? Hey everybody, Hobo Wizard here, and today we're gonna do a not a true cold water plunge because it's not really freezing out here. It's just a bit nipply. So it's been a long time coming. So this is our new place. We just moved in here a couple months ago now, and I finally got the pool to a place where it's swimmable. So as you can see, it's not perfect. It still needs some work, but it's finally good enough to jump into. I'm gonna jump in and see what's up. I have no idea even how really deep it is. Haven't been in here before, so let's see. Dip our toes in first. See how cold that is. Oh, oh god. Oh, I hope the water doesn't turn blue because I'm about to pee my pants. All right, let's do this. Oh, actually, also another note. Make sure somebody's around just in case you have a heart attack when you jump in. Oh, my feet are so cold. I didn't even go past the ankles yet. Oh, God.
Are you really going to do this?
God. Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
Oh!
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I don't know how long you're supposed to stay in, but I'm good. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. Oh, hi, Stella. Oh, how you so? Oh, my legs. Oh, that was fun. All right. I'll do another one tomorrow. Oh, there we go. That's much better. It's not too bad. Oh.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. No. To be honest, though, when I did go towards that deep end for a second there, I did have a bit of a panic of like, oh my god, I'm about to cramp and die. It's really, like, it is a real shock to the system, which is really cool. Like, you don't normally experience that. I feel interesting right now. Like in a good way, though, you know? This is cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna continue this experiment of, I guess, cold water plunging or semi-cold or whatever, but it's supposed to be really healthy, so hopefully that's true. Come here. Were you scared for me? Huh? Were you scared for me? Huh? Come here. Stop. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come here.